Bangkok became the capital of Thailand, formerly Siam, in 1782, replacing Thonburi. The city is situated along the banks of the Chao Phraya River, a major waterway that plays a crucial role in transportation and commerce. Bangkok is a major cultural and economic hub in Southeast Asia. It is known for its vibrant street life, rich cultural heritage, and a mix of modern and traditional elements. Bangkok, with 8 million people, is a populous Southeast Asian city. Here are some key aspects of Bangkok. 1. Bangkok's full name is Krung Thep, which is one of the longest place names in the world. It is often referred to as Krung Thep for short, meaning the City of Angels. 2. Bangkok is the birthplace of Red Bull, the popular energy drink created by Chalio Uvidia and Dietrich Mateschitz. 3. The Bayok Tower 2, located in Bangkok, is the tallest hotel in Southeast Asia and the third tallest all-hotel structure in the world. 4. Bangkok hosts various cultural events and festivals throughout the year. Loi Krathong, Songkran, Thai New Year, and the Royal Plouging Ceremony are among the important celebrations. 5. Traffic congestion is a common issue in Bangkok, but the city has an extensive public transportation system, including buses, taxis, tuk-tuks, and a modern SkyTrain and subway system. 6. Bangkok's Chinatown is one of the largest and most vibrant Chinatowns in the world. 7. Bangkok is renowned as a massage paradise with countless spas offering traditional Thai massages, attracting visitors seeking relaxation and wellness. 8. The city is home to several beautiful temples and palaces. Wat Phra Ku, located within the Grand Palace complex, is one of the most famous temples and houses the Emerald Buddha, a highly revered image in Thai Buddhism. 9. Bangkok has a modern skyline with high-rise buildings and a well-developed infrastructure. It is a bustling metropolis with a mix of traditional markets and modern shopping malls. Bangkok is renowned for its delicious and diverse street food. The city offers a wide variety of local dishes and snacks that attract both locals and tourists. 10. Bangkok is known for its vibrant nightlife. The city offers a range of entertainment options, including nightclubs, bars, and cultural performances. 11. The city is a shopping paradise with markets like Chatukak Weekend Market and upscale shopping malls like Siam Paragon and Central World. 12. Buddhism is a dominant religion in Thailand, and there are numerous temples scattered throughout Bangkok. 13. Lumpini Park is a large public park in the heart of the city, offering a peaceful retreat from the urban hustle and bustle. 14. The Jim Thompson House, a museum in Bangkok, honors the American businessman pivotal in revitalizing the Thai silk industry. Visitors explore the traditional Thai architecture and the businessman's legacy. 15. The Grand Palace is a stunning complex that served as the official residence of the kings of Thailand for many years. It features intricate architecture and houses the Emerald Buddha. 16. The Elephant Building, officially called the Chang Building, is a distinctive high-rise structure shaped like an elephant and is one of the city's unique landmarks. 17. Khao Sen Road is a famous backpacker district known for its lively atmosphere, cheap accommodations, and bustling nightlife. 18. In Bangkok, some public places offer third-gender or gender-neutral washrooms, reflecting inclusivity and recognition of diverse gender identities. 19. Bangkok is prone to flooding, especially during the monsoon season, due to its low-lying geography and drainage challenges. There is a noticeable wealth gap in Bangkok, with disparities between the rich and poor.